Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to add subscribe button to a video. So go to your InShot and choose any video of your choice. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to background and change the background color of this video. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to stickers. I'll click on stickers. Then I'll click on GIF. On the right hand side I'll click on stickers. Then in the search button, I'm going to type out subscribe and I'm going to just search it out. And now you can see the array of different subscribe buttons that you have, and you can choose any of your choice. I'm just going to scroll through and see anyone that I like. Okay, so I think I like the one up better, so I'm just going to click on it. Now I've added a subscribe button. All I need to do is adjust it to the right side that I want it to be. Now you can see that my video has a subscribe button. I'm just going to quickly add another subscribe button. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to stickers again and click on it. Okay, so I'm just going to type in subscribe in the search area and okay, subscribe. I'll click on search and you can see the subscribe buttons have appeared again. So I'm going to choose any one of my choice. I think I like this better and I'm just going to adjust it. Now you can see I've added another subscribe button to the video. How cool is this, guys? Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.